Hello! Now today we're going to be talking about the pyramids of Giza. Now the pyramids of Giza are inside Cairo, Egypt, a little bit outside, and they were made a long time ago, maybe 4,000 years ago. And within these pyramids, they're usually made out of bricks, stone, all stuff to make 3 big pyramids. Now inside the pyramids, a lot of archeologists, which is people who study bones, artifacts from a long time ago, go inside and they see maybe Egyptian writing like hieroglyphs, mummies, tombstones, and just like a lot of artifacts like pots, pottery, or tools to help bury the dead and stuff like that. And a pyramid has maybe 4 faces, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. And inside there's many different levels. Maybe there's a place where the king was buried, maybe there was a place where they had meetings or something, or maybe it's just a place to worship the gods and also the king. So that's it on the pyramids of Egypt, the pyramids of Giza. Bye!